Noldus, our goal is to provide you with the best solutions for your research. Meet our professional installation team, Beatrick and Andrew. They're in Leipzig to install a state-of-the-art software and hardware package to measure facial expressions for research in educational psychology. Andrew and Beatrick are technical experts. They check the existing infrastructure to make sure it ties in perfectly with your custom Noldus setup. They carefully plan the installation to guarantee they can create the ideal research setup. Everything is unboxed. All the connections are carefully checked, and every accessory is plugged in and retested. Here you can see Andrew installing the eye tracking and facial expression hardware. When everything is up and running, Beatrick gives a full tour, explaining which equipment is installed and how it all works. He checks whether the installation has been completed as desired, and after the final instructions, you're all set to start your research.